Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable ChatGPT if blocked or many login attempts. Too many failed logins can temporarily lock your account. Here's how to recover it. First of all, wait for 10 to 15 minutes before reopening your app. The block clears automatically. After that, use a different login method. If you had logged in with your Apple ID beforehand, then try logging in through Gmail or your phone number if that's available, or vice versa. So go ahead and log in with Apple if you had all logged in with your Gmail account. Then it might work, or you'll have to reset your password if you are unsure. And turn off any VPN if you are using them. Tip: avoid switching login methods repeatedly. It causes blocks, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.